Ice fishing again. Lake St. Clair. See pretty good number of people out there. Alright, first hole. Checking, see if any fish on my light scope. Power on first. No, you could see them. There's a couple of fish right there. See if we can get it. Oh. Come on. Just tiny. So little. Okay. Let's see again. Okay. See. Okay, here come. Here come. Oh, yes. Oh. A little better. It's not that big, but a little better. Jiggy spoon. Spoon wouldn't beat. Chartreuse beat. Works for perch and works for steelhead. Ah. Yo. Nope. Okay, here come one real fast. Come real fast. Okay, he's biting. Ah, gotta be a small one. Come on, again. Oh, here one's right on it. Oh. Nope. Okay, one coming fast. One coming real fast. Come on. I see a whole bunch of fish right here. It's right down there. Where my friend is. Let's see if he can catch any. Go ahead, Isaac, hold it. Got a huge one. Right there, jumbo perch. So we got a jumbo perch right here.
Holy smokes.
Right here, Isaac. Jumbo perch.
Gotta use a pink. Big little girls, gotta use girls.
We'll talk about it. Lake St. Clair jumbo perch. We don't have measurement, huh? We can measure the boat. Yeah, 10 or more. Alright, let's see. Okay. Tiny again. Get there. Man, it's time to go home. It's getting cold. Alright. I'll go back in there. Alright guys, thank you for watching. It was a good day, still cold, but it's better than the last time. Here at Lake St. Clair, famous lake for smallmouth in the summer. In the winter time, ice fishing.